bright unit with an open floor plan with over 1,100 square feet. This 2-bedroom 2-bath unit features windows throughout the living area that lets in plenty of natural light. From this 6th-floor unit you have a stunning view of Banyan Cay Golf Course, Nicklaus Signature Course with beautiful lakes and landscaping. The master bedroom has a balcony you can access through sliding doors to enjoy your morning coffee. The kitchen features a great picture window you can enjoy beautiful sunsets from. Yorktown Condo is conveniently located across from Palm Beach outlets, near restaurants, Whole Foods, Target and Nordstrom Rack to name a few. Just minutes from West Palm Beach Airport and downtown WPB. The association fee includes water and building maintenance. Pets are allowed with prior approval from the association, and there is a weight limit. No rentals allowed the first 2 years of ownership. This unit is ready.